Today, let me demonstrate how to replace the battery of the iPhone 12. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. For safety reasons, the battery should be charged below 20%. Turn off the device. First, remove 2 pentalobe screws. I recommend organizing all the screws so that you don't get mixed up during the following procedure. Use a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius. Apply the suction cup and use a flat tool to move along the side edges. Be careful not to slide too far into the phone. Remove the 2 marked cross screws. Then the cover. Remove the battery flex cable. Then disconnect all the flex cables that lead to the display. Then the 4 marked cross screws. Remove this cover as well. Remove 4 more cross screws and remove the speaker module. In our video, we also removed the main camera and the Taptic engine. This step is not necessary for the battery replacement. Remove the adhesive strips from the battery by pulling them off as flat as possible. If they tear, use a hairdryer to soften the adhesive. Then, carefully pry out the battery. Now position the speaker module and screw it in. Apply the appropriate adhesive strips to the new battery. Now you can position the new battery in the device. Please do not connect it yet. Before you connect the display, use a suitable adhesive foil for the center frame. You can remove the adhesive residue with a pair of tweezers and clean the surface with alcohol. Attach the battery flex cable. Position the cover and screw it in. Position another cover and screw it in. Place the display on top and carefully press it tight. Attach the 2 pentalobe screws. It was a pleasure repairing with you today. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. You can find spare parts and repair people on kaputt.de.